What's up, y'all? Hey, I'm just hanging out with my family, having some dessert. So come hang out with us. Let's go.
Nó ngủ gần nhau.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Go, help. Oh, good job, Colin. What you got? I'll get it for you.
Carter.
Mango on this side and strawberry on this side, and with a vanilla ice cream. And we got some waffle. And what is this? It's milk tea. Damn. Oh, we're gonna finish that. Let's go. Gotta hook these old folks up. You know, they don't ever have these kind of stuff. They always think it's expensive, but let's treat them out. I enjoy treating elderly people out because you know time is short on their end, so you gotta enjoy the precious moment. Go. It's okay. Ăn kiểu sao không được hết. Vô đây. Vô ăn thử miếng đi. Come on, guys, let's go in and eat. It's ready. It's ready. Kaylin, come on, Kaylin. It's ready, Kaylin. Let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. You know, at this kind of place, we don't want to cuss. We gotta keep it professional. It looks too bougie to be throwing F-bomb around here. Gotta hold that hood mentality together. Oh, see? No, why didn't you guys just ask? You guys are like hungry.
No, I did ask.
No, you guys are like a hungry animal. It's not cold enough. This is pretty good, huh? I'm actually pretty disappointed in the shaved ice because I remember shaved ice would be shaved. This is not shaved. Look how hard this is. Look how hard it is. I mean, the flavor is there. I like the flavor. The flavor is definitely there, but the ice machine did not make the ice soft enough. No. This one looks very promising, so I'm gonna try it. Ooh.
Oh my god.
That one's good.
That was appetizing.
It has like a soybean taste to it, right? At the end. Kind of like a soybean taste to it. I like the juice. It's not overly sweet. That's what I like about it. Overall, we are having a blast. Can you tell by their face? Look at everyone's face. They are so happy. Yup, this is the happy moment of their life right now. Look at how sweet that is, y'all. That's gold right there. That's gold. That's gold right there. That's gold right there. Having a great time, man. Sometimes family's the most important thing that you got in life, y'all. So cherish every moment that you have with them because tomorrow's not promised, guaranteed. So let's go. Thank you for watching.